This is just too cool. It's too cool. We're driving through all these sand dunes.
You don't need a snow plow, but a sand plow?
Funny man. When it gets windy up here, the road actually gets covered in sand. So pretty cool. And hot. Not cool, hot. It's like, it was 19 degrees, but it felt like,
it's 21 degrees.
Feels like 30. Check it out. They must have had wind yesterday. They've snow plowed the sand. Wow. It's like snow, but it's not.
I hate sand.
Wow. It's like we're in the middle of a desert. This is incredible.
We're at the White Sands National Park, and look who arrived. It's my lady, child, wife, Santa maybe. Look at her. Actually, she should be doing, as you can see from the tracks, she should be doing this with a toboggan, but it's so fun.
It's pretty amazing. It's like walking in snow, but no coat required. This is the picnic area at White Sands National Park. I'm so excited about this park. It was high on my list of things to do. But you have to see too, I got my passport book for the national parks, and I got my first stamp, which is so exciting. So exciting. And what a great park to start at. High. We're up at the top of the park, and there's no vegetation up here at all. We are absolutely loving our adventure traveling through the US. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.